Usayitsheni Fannie Nkosi uchazele ikhomishana ukuthi wafonela umswazi ngemuva kokutshelwa ukuthi abantu ababoshwa ngecala lokubulawa kukaSwart uyabazi.
Mr. Zungu phoned me and told me that there are people who are arrested or who committed murder. I can't be quite sure about that. And they are known to Mr. Mtakat. That is when I then called Mr. Mtakat. Hey, Baba, but there are people who are arrested there and they are known to you. He said, I don't know, let me check.
Ingxoxo kaWhatsApp ikhombisa ukuthi ngokuhamba kosuku okwabulawa ngalo Swart, umswazi wathumela uNkosi igama nenombolo kamazisi kaFloyd Mabusela. uMabusela ungomunye wabantu abaqula icala ngokubulawa kukaSwart. Ikhomishana izwe nokuthi uNkosi wathunyelelwa umfanekiso wevideo ophathelene nokubulawa kukaSwart umswazi ngemuva kwezinsuku ezine kwenzeke isigameko.
Was this not something that needed immediate investigation? Because someone who knew the murderer had managed to get hold of CCTV footage of the murder.
I did not see it like that at that time because of automatically it was all over the news, and it was also said that the perpetrators or suspects were already arrested. So I assume that maybe automatically there were people who were investigating it.
Izikhawu sizoqhubeka kusasa.